Hello students. So this is the 10th and the last part of this session of corrosion and its prevention method, and I am your teacher Sudipta Nath. So among the different types of protective method, one of the most common or well utilized method in case of iron and steel industries and several alloy industry is called as hot dipping. So it is galvanizing process, as you can see. So first in the method there is a caustic cleaning bath. So from there itself that particular metallic object is rinsed again, then pickling by acid, then again rinsing, and then it is dipped into a special type of flux solution. So after it is dipped with fluxed solution, it is sent for drying. So when it is completely dried, then it is dipped in a zinc bath, and then it is cooled and sent for the inspection. So what will happen that in zinc bath electrochemical reaction will occur, and for which a thin coating of that metallic zinc that will be embedded on the top layer of that particular metallic material or alloy which is dipped in it, and this process is called as galvanization. So by the method of galvanization, mostly the iron and steel based material, they are protected against the corrosion or rusting. Second is called as metal spraying or metallizing method. So over here we can see that there is a spray gun. So with the help of that spray gun, in the form of jet, the molten metallic material, it is sprayed on the subject metal, and by this method, just like the spray painting, instead of the paint we are using actually the molten metallic material. Now what exactly is the method? That you can see that in presence of compressed air which is coming from the compressor, and some combustive gas will be there and filler wire will be there, and definitely at the top there is a air cap through which a particular wire it will be molten by means of oxyacetylene flame, and the liquid wire which is now in a liquid state, purely liquid state, by atomizing method, because there is a compressed air at high pressure, so it will be sprayed directly on the surface which is in present of that particular thing. Now the distance from that torch to that or sprayer to that particular subject metal, it depends on 4 to 8 inch, that is 100 to 200 millimeter. It depends on metal to metal and various other factors. So thus a particular surface of a subject metal, it can be protected. For example, on a certain exposed area of mild steel is covered by this metallizing or metal spraying method by means of SS304 or SS316, that is the alloy steel, for a very small area, then it can be protected from environmental effect or some saline water effect. So this is how wire melt thermal spray gun is used for the metal spraying system. The third type, which is called as electroplating method. So over here it is a very common phenomena. Over here we can see that there is a cathode and anode. So definitely the anode will get corroded out and it will create a layer on the cathode. Outside the cathode will be connected to the negative and the anode will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the electron flow direction outside the electrolyte will be from anode to cathode, and inside the solution, that is in the electrode, from cathode to anode. So the metal deposition will occur, or material deposition will occur on the cathode part. So this is how the electroplating method can be employed. So by this electroplating method, inferior type of metallic material can be coated with protective layer, so that, and permanent protective layer, so that they can be given a better protection against this type of corrosion and environmental effect. Now, low and high temperature corrosion is one of the major important parameter, like creep failure, oxidation, high temperature hydrogen attack. They are very common in case of impeller blades on the pumps to the turbines. So on these vanes or the impeller, this type of corrosion that take place. Now, measurement of corrosion can be found out by this particular formula, that is weight loss method, that is MPy equal to 22,300 multiplied by W by ADT, and electrical resistance method, that is electrical resistance increases the corrosion, decreases the cross section of metallic material. So that's all for today's section of corrosion and its prevention method. Do join the regular classes, and we'll have a better discussion session regarding your queries and questions on this particular thing. So that's all for corrosion and corrosion prevention method. Study well and wish you all the best for your upcoming examination. Thank you very much.